With almost every software, you are only as good as the training you receive and the help documentation and the support that you get online. There are many ways to receive technical support. We can do it online through the web page. It's available 24/7, 365 days a year. Also available from the help menu, you can directly send mail right through the software. This will link up directly to your Microsoft Outlook. Just type who the mail is going to, and the file is automatically zipped, and you can add or remove more files as needed, and hit send, and it'll be redirected to your Microsoft Outbox. And when you need help with a particular function in the software, there's two ways you can get help. First, you have a context help where you click the icon and put the question mark on the tool you would like to learn about. This will take you directly to that chapter in the help and step-by-step instructions. When you want to watch an instructional video on how to use a tool or function, you can click the Video Help tool, then put the question mark on the tool you'd like to learn about. A window will open up and a movie will be displayed showing you step-by-step instructions on how to use the function.
The second point, and then move your cursor in towards the pattern and click the mouse.
TUKACAD has over 300 tutorial and instructional videos, and they come in multiple languages.